Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello Aruna.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How about you?
Okay. I'm good, ma'am. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So before starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placements.
I'm Asha from Davangere. I did my graduation in Ubrity College. I passed out in 2008. Actually, I'm having 8 years of experience in building construction and road works. And then after I got to know about the CMTI from one of my friend, and then later I joined here for 3 months course.
Okay. Right. So how, what and all you learned in CMTI apart from your college syllabus?
Here I got to learn about this QS quantity surveying, BPS, and here they have provided a lot of software this thing, AutoCAD and SketchUp and all those things they have provided, and about this methodology of construction, sequence of construction, reading of drawings that we got to learn about it, about building projects, and then we got an opportunity to visit sites also through this training process.
Okay. So coming to your trainers, how was your trainers?
Here there are here all are very good faculties actually. Natarajan sir and Yashash sir and all are nice. Srinivas sir, they have teach well, man.
What about Ashok sir career guidance and interview guidance, ma'am? Can you speak me about that?
Ashok sir. Yes, ma'am. He's a very nice sir. Actually, he was telling about how punctual to be at work and time management. He was teaching about, and all those things he was guiding us about how to be at company and all.
So what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
Through that app we can learn a lot of this thing actually. It is having all civil works related like QS and about interiors also, and it's a good platform that we can learn a lot of civil related this thing.
Okay. So coming to your confidence level now, before joining CMTI and after joining CMTI, any changes in that?
Good confidence about after completing my course I can able to attend the interviews and I can face all the this thing.
So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
It is nice, ma'am. I can recommend my friends also because after the graduation here we can learn a lot of things about the company's rules and those things we can learn actually. It's a good platform for freshers and also for the experienced peoples so that they can start their career in better way.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your feedback. I hope all the best for your future, upcoming future, and once again, congratulations for your placements.
Yeah,
Thank you,
thanks.
ma'am.
Thank you.